Sunday. Folks, we're back at it once again. Appreciate you all tuning in. Today, we're out here on the Collins River, and I'm fishing for muskie. This is my first time. Folks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload these videos. We are about to get into it. Let's go. Nice. All right, folks, I wasn't recording when I caught this little rock bass right here. It's first fish of the day. Appreciate him getting on right here. Little bitty rock bass guy. Appreciate you, buddy. Peace out. You were right. Come here. Come here. Nice rock bass, folks. Yeah. Right. Right where he should be. All right, folks. Appreciate this guy getting on. This is a nice size rock bass right here. Ooh, sorry, buddy. Sorry. All right, buddy. Fish number 2 of the day, folks. Nice size rock bass. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy. It is absolutely beautiful. Not trying to throw right there. I knew it. Got one. All right, folks. Caught another little rock bass. This is fish number 3 of the day, I believe. All right, folks. Fish number 3 of the day. Little rock bass, buddy. Appreciate him hitting that crankbait. Peace out, buddy.
Something he needed to do on the side of the river?
He just wanted to do it for his video. They had to present to their upper management CLs or something. It's a fish, yep. No, yep.
It is. Holy smallmouth bass. Way to go, buddy.
Nice. Folks, it's called a little smallmouth in this current on a Ned rig.
Show them the V right here.
Right here. Right here. In this water right here. You see that? Not much water at all. That's nice. Beautiful little smallmouth. It's first smallmouth I've caught all day. 4th fish of the day. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy. In the summer year, you'll catch fish sitting right there in the V at some rapids. Throw in there. Rooster tail, crankbait, Ned rig, whatever you want to throw in there, they'll probably hit it. Got another one. Fish number 5 of the day, folks. Nice little smallie. They're getting bigger. All right, folks, you see that? Fish number 5. Appreciate you getting on, buddy. Hitting up that PB&J Ned rig. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, no. Let me show y'all first. You see him. Fish number 5 of the day, folks. Another little smallmouth bass. Look at the mouth on that guy. I appreciate this fella. Peace out. Smallie, fish number 6 of the day on the rooster tail. Uh-oh, got myself caught up in a jam here. It's all right, folks. You see this guy on the little rooster tail. There you go. He snapped it right up. And fish number 6 of the day. Appreciate this little guy getting on. Look at the mouth on that guy. Appreciate that guy. Peace out, buddy. Come here. Was I recording? Yep, I was, folks. Fish number 7 of the day, I believe. Another little rock bass. I got you, buddy. Folks, you see that? Fish number 7, little rock bass guy. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy.
Miles ago. Look at that fish. I get to watch it come over the logs.
Come here.
Is that number 9? Number 8?
Number 8. Woo, fat rock bass. You're heavy. You're heavy, buddy. Chunky, buddy. Oh, yeah, I'll get that out your face, buddy. Don't worry. Ooh, folks, you see, I think that's fish number 8 today. Little rock bass guy. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy. This looks like the Stones River 500 years ago.
Yeah, that's about right. And the banks were a little higher.
Come here. Come here. Rock bass, folks. What is this? Fish 10, I believe. I don't remember at this point. Folks, this is fish 10, 11, something like that. But you see him. Open your mouth there, buddy. Appreciate you. Little rock bass, buddy. Appreciate him getting on the Ned rig. Peace out, buddy. Appreciate you. Come here. Come here. Rock bass. Oh, appreciate you getting on there, little buddy. Fish number 12, I believe, of the day. Oh, I lost you under the seat, buddy. Come here. Don't spike me, please. I got you. All right, folks, you see this little rock bass guy. Appreciate him getting on. And we're gonna get him back. Peace, buddy.
That's how it goes.
Come on up here. Come here.
Rooster tail's gonna do it.
Yep. What's this? fish number 12 of the day, I believe. Or is this 13? Lucky number 13, a righteous number of righteous men. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little bluegill right here. Appreciate him getting on. Fish number, lucky number 13, a righteous number of righteous men. Appreciate you getting on. Peace, buddy. Come here. Come here. Fish number 14, little smallmouth. You folks saw that. He hit it quick. Ooh, you gobbled it up. It wasn't for kids. Come here, gotcha. Whew. Folks, what is this? Fish number 16 of the day. Little rock bass on the Ned rig, of course, because it catches fish. Yeah, I got you, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Little bitty tiny rock bass. Appreciate him getting on. Fish number 16 of the day, folks. Peace out, buddy. That's how it was on Old Hickory, though.
Weird, like homeboy did.
Old Hickory was like that. Like, just about everything we caught was a pound, pound and a half, 2 pounds. So. What about man bear pig?
You know, they took care of that.
Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, got him. Oh shit, I got a hook in my hand. I know. Oh my God, this is a big fish. Oh my God, big fish of the day. And he's off. Oh my God, that's crazy.
It was in the net.
Yep.
And it flopped out.
Yep. There's nothing I can do about it.
I saw that was tangled around the other pole.
Nothing I can do about it. I caught that fish though.
And did you remember when Phil the other day, he was like, I know better than to fish with a pole between my legs.
Yep. I didn't hear him say that, but.
Oh, you weren't there? Yeah, he said that very thing. Yeah, because something similar happened to him. And dude, that was the biggest fish we've seen all day.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty tired right now.
Yeah, we need to get going.
Yeah. Folks, fish number 18 of the day. Hopefully you guys can see that smallie. He was nice, but I went through some difficulties trying to get him. Folks, fish number 18 of the day. You see him, little rock bass guy. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy. Folks, I wasn't recording the hook set for fish number 19, but it's a little rock bass, buddy. Appreciate him getting on. Fish number 19 of the day. Peace out, buddy. You enjoy taking the difficult
See that tree
way.
I had to go under?
Yeah, I saw. That's exactly why I didn't go that way.
See the limbo? No, when I had to do the limbo.
Yeah, I saw all the foolishness.
That was neat.
There's 26 right there.
Oh, there it is.
All right, folks, that is it for the day. I've had a blast out here on the Collins River. It is absolutely beautiful out here. If you have not been out here already, you need to get out here. All right, folks. But again, I appreciate you tuning in. Hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Hit the notification button so you know every time I upload one of these great videos. Folks, I love you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, folks, there's a lot of river out here. I'll catch you on the next boat flip. Peace.